like him when you had already started. I want to congratulate our Member of Parliament because of what he has started in our constituency. He has started something good and which will encourage us by meeting like this every year, as he has said. It will encourage you and all of us, because teachers, you are formators. You are the group which teaches and shapes the society. All of us, those people who are what they are now, they pass it to the hands of the teachers. We want to wish you well as you continue assisting, teaching, helping, molding our girls and our boys, that you love your work, you do what you are supposed to do, then you assist our MP here, who has initiated this program, so that our children will have their future, they will be good people, so that people will yearn to come to our constituents for their studies. The way many of us, we want to take our children to Western Kenya, Rift Valley, let them come to St. Charles, Rwanda.